What's going on YouTube? Damn truck. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Neil back with another banger. And right now we're about to go drop the car off to the dealership to do maintenance, routine maintenance. It's the first oil change with of my ownership of the car. Because in the past, like, how long I had this car? 4 months? I only put 3K on in 4 months, roughly. Alright, just about. February, March, April, May. Yeah, 4 months. I just hit 3,000 miles on it, so I barely drive this car. At first I was driving it a lot, but right now I like ride the bike more. And yeah, so because on the bike I already put like 700 miles on it in the span of like a month, so that explains a lot. So yeah, I'll give you a little POV drive on the way to the, there's no left right there, he's turning left. I should call the cops on him. But on my way to the dealer, give you when I get there, I'll give you a little walk around of the showroom and stuff. Hopefully they give me a loaner, but I don't think I'm getting one this go around. Fortunately I get free oil changes until 2027, so the next 2 years I get free oil changes with this car. And I think I don't even know the intervals, I just know I get free oil changes, and that's all I'm excited about. I ain't gonna lie. So that's gonna be fun, so I can save money. 250. And the stuff I ordered for this car, oh, it's nice, right? I ordered the steering wheel wrap. I ordered it. It was the Alcantara one, and the guy canceled the order. So I'm like, you know when you buy some, and like the moment you buy it, you're like, okay, I sent the money. But like when something happens and you don't get it, and you're like, I don't want to spend that money again, so you just leave it. That's how I'm feeling, because like, what are you doing? What are you doing? I don't even want to spend that money again to get the wrap. I really don't. I want it, but it's not like I need it, if that makes any sense. But so that's what happened with that. I got a microphone for this camera for the GoPro, and I was trying to test it out last night, and it wasn't really working. But we got these clips. I met a couple guys last night when I went to the gym, and I know them. I know the guy on the 636, as you saw. He has a black G35, and like 2 years ago we were like drifting in the parking lot. So I pulled up, I said, oh, I remember you. Boom, boom, boom. So now that's another person to ride with, and he got a bunch of friends. And I met a couple of people down in Jersey the other day that I could ride with. So hopefully one of these days we have a big ride out. That'd be fun. Just have people to ride with. Cause I ain't gonna lie, it get boring after a while, just riding by yourself. It really do. It really do. Because it's just like, what the hell? What am I like? Ugh. And like over here, like no one really rides for real. Compared to like the scene in Jersey, the scene in Jersey is crazy. Like they have mad people. But up here by me, I don't know. I don't know why. There's a bunch of old heads. That's what it is. Because there are people that ride, but they're all old. And they all have cruisers and stuff, and no sport bike, no nothing, so. That's the reason. So we just getting on the highway. We'll give you have a little bit of fun, but safely, of course. Not that much traffic, but oh, the cops are out. that's the fastest I ever went. Like there's people that do like 120, 130 in their car. I could never. I'd be scared. I'm too scared. I can't. In a car? Hell no. I can never go that fast in a car. I don't feel like I have the ability to like stop and the ability to like. Am I recording? I am. Ability to like maneuver how you want to at that speed. I think on a bike, going that fast, yeah, it's like crazy, but you just feel like you have more like movability and able to like move, because bikes are like super sports and all. They're meant to do that. They're meant to go crazy speeds and be able to handle those speeds and turn at those. A car, people be in like regular Honda Civics going that fast. It's like how do you can't maneuver at that speed in those cars, because those cars are meant to go that type of speed. I don't know. That's just me. I don't know. But I'm what? I need to be there in 19 minutes, and I don't know how far out I am. I'm 10 minutes out, so I'm making good time, but. Roughly, but hope y'all been enjoying the content. I know I'm kind of spamming the POV in the car and not really give y'all car content, but like I ain't really got much to do right now. I got like a couple things planned for the F10. I have a couple things planned that I gotta like go through it, but it's like everything that I got planned is waiting on one thing to be done, and it's the lowering springs. I'm waiting on that person to let me know when they're free to put the lowering springs on. So that's why I'm like, this car is kind of on hold, because that's the one thing I need to continue, because I don't know the rest of the stuff I want to do is going to fit unless the springs are on, if that makes any sense. So I apologize for that. And then with the E46, I'm not gonna lie, I can't, like, it's really an easy fix. All I gotta do is the coolant hose that's leaking. That's all I gotta do. But for some reason, I don't got the motivation to touch that car right now. I really don't, because this car I want to finish, and then I just been riding the bike, and I want to give y'all motovlog content, but I'm trying to figure out the mic situation, because I don't want to just give y'all, if y'all want raw content on the bike in this pure sound, let me know. I could do a video like that. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna do a video like that. I'm gonna give y'all some raw content of just pure like bike sounds, like raw audio. That's what I'm gonna do for y'all, to give y'all something different, because I feel like I'm just spamming the same thing over and over again, and I don't like that. But I was like, I just wanted to pick up the camera today because we're going to go get a oil change and maintenance and stuff like that. I'm going to the dealer and get some clips at the dealer. You can never go wrong with some footage at a dealership. I don't even know why I got on this lane. Just moving slow. Fire. 7 minutes out. And you know what? I gotta edit that video of y'all for y'all with the when I was doing the camber arms on the E46, because that was a funny video. And I gotta go back and find that footage. Yeah, I gotta find that. But honestly, I want to upgrade this camera already to the DJI 4 or 5, because that you have that batteries that you can switch out, because this camera dies so fast and I hate it. So I'm gonna get that and upgrade y'all, because its quality is gonna be kind of the same but a little bit better for like nighttime driving and stuff. But I don't really record at night like that, but that's something I gotta do. And for the OG80, she, you know. Ooh, they clean that cut. Damn. Damn. We got the Haitian tunes playing. Damn. Damn. The cop. I got a trip planned for next month with me and the guys. I can't wait, and I can't wait to get footage because it's going to be a fire ass trip. We're going for a week. There's going to be vibing, chilling, you feel me, getting content. It's going to be fun. I just can't wait to go and just relax, you feel me? You can work, you can work, so that's going to be a lot of fun. Get y'all content and like do a bunch of fun stuff, so stay tuned to that. You're probably not going to see that video until like July-ish, but that's in the works. So hopefully everything goes as planned and makes it out the group chat, so we'll see. But so we just pulled up to the town the BMW dealership's at, and we're like right around the corner, but there's some traffic, whatever, but I'm almost there, but to pull in now. Oh, they said it's gonna take like 2 hours to do an oil change. That's absurd. I ain't gonna lie to you. That is crazy. Let's see. It's the first time going to the actual dealer, because Valvoline be taking like 2 minutes. But yeah. Come on, go. I gotta do the downpipe. That's what I gotta do. That's what I really gotta do. I have the downpipe. I just gotta install it. That's all I gotta do. I hope it fit. I think this car, the LCI ones are like a 4-inch pipe, a 4-inch wide pipe, and I got a 3.5. I don't know if that's gonna fit. Probably not. I might have to get a new one. Sorry guys, I gotta do. I gotta investigate a new one, but I hate buying parts and it don't fit. I really do. It's so annoying. And I bought it like a while ago, so I don't even know if I can return. Oh, I love this car. I love this chassis. BMW of Orange County. Let's see, where do I go? Oh, they have an M5 just sitting there. Oh, hell yeah. Look at the X6. Oh, I have an M5 right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
My name is Jack. I'll be the tech working on your car. So, to get started, got your car up in the air. Got the oil finishing up draining now. Let's take a look around. Passenger front tire is coming in at 7 millimeters. Driver front, 7 millimeters as well. Front steering and suspension components all look good. Still good. Side of your engine, turbo, oil pan, transmission, all looks good, no leaks.
Yes! 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 This M5 is clean as ever. And look at the interior. This sticker is crazy. 140 sticker, and it's just so clean though. This M5. The F90s is like my dream chassis when it comes to the M's. Actually, yeah, it is. Is this in the E39 M5? Them two right there. That right there. Those two right there be perfect. This one, clean example. Oh. It's not a comp, but I really don't care. I don't care for comp, X drive, all that. This is a base M5, rear-wheel drive. Perfect, I'm not gonna lie. All you really need. Sheesh. It's recording. So we're back. Oil change, coolant filled, everything topped off, car wash. They just blessed me. So, you know, we're all set. good to go for a little while. And then this funny story I'm gonna get into when we get on the road for real. That M5 though is so clean. That's deadass my next vehicle. They want way too much for it. They talking about they want 70 grand with 70,000 miles on it. Like, what? You could, what? Nah, you could keep it. You could keep it. But we really got hits on this vehicle. Like, I was there. Let me move this chair back. Come on, move up. What's it called? They said that they already got a hit on the vehicle. The tech wants to buy it because how clean of a spec it is. And I was like, yeah. I said, it took me a minute to find this car. And he was like, if you're ever going to sell it, I want first dibs. I want it bad. And I'm like, wow. I didn't even know it was that big of a hit on it for real. And I got a free car wash. I don't even got to wash the car. It's a good little, you know, car was filthy, but we're good. Car's clean. Oil change, coolant filled, everything. Windshield wiper topped off. So, damn, I should have had this going recording, but I don't. I don't have an SD card in there. That would have got his POV from the inside. That would have been tough, but I don't. Cause, right? Nah, I don't got an SD card, so I can't even pull the footage. That's just there to look pretty. But that's really all I really wanted to bring y'all along on the journey to get an oil change and stuff like that. But we about to get back to the crib and relax and edit this video up for y'all. But it's just so crazy to me how someone really wanted this car, because when I saw this car, like, I had to jump on it because it was just the perfect spec. And it was like rare, and it's a down south car, and the car came from Cali and went down south. Car never touched a lick of snow until I bought it, until it came up here. So like, that's so crazy to think about how rare this, like, it's not rare, but like this spec is like rare and everything. And you feel me? And they're saying everything underneath the car is good. The brakes are good, no leaks, no nothing, everything is up to par. So, you know what that means? Downpipe coming soon. We got no leaks, maintenance is done. I don't need no major, like, what's it called? So, no major, I can't even think, service. No major service needs to be done, so. But I'm about to get on the road and head back. So enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications to get more major content like this. You don't want to miss it, because you know we're on the grind. The summer's around the corner, and we got a lot of amazing stuff coming, so you don't want to miss it. But other than that, O'Neal out. Peace.